In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use your Apple Pencil 2 on an iPhone and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, the Apple Pencil allows you to draw, do various activities right on any screen on your iPad. You might be curious if by using the original Apple Pencil or even the second generation Apple Pencil, it is possible to connect them to alternative devices, such as an iPhone specifically for this video. If you go over to the settings of your iPhone, you browse through all of the options, you go into the Bluetooth devices or anything similar, it seems like the Apple Pencil will never pop up, regardless of what you try to press, what combination of things that you make, and so on. So as of today, to answer this question in the title of this video, is it possible to use an Apple Pencil 2 on an iPhone? Sadly, as it stands today, the first generation Apple Pencil and also the second one are not compatible with iPhones. It is designed to work specifically with iPads. There are some styluses that are made for iPhones, but these will not have the same pressure sensitivity or features as the Apple Pencil. So if you strictly want to use something designed by Apple, then unfortunately, there is no choice at the current moment, unless a newer generation of Apple Pencils are released, or they make an alternative line for iPhone specifically. The way that it remains today is that the Apple Pencil and the second generation are only compatible with iPads. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that you can only use the Apple Pencil's first and second generation on iPads like the iPad Apple Pro, iPad Air, iPad 10th generation, iPad 9th generation, and then the iPad mini, and so on. If this video cleared up any of the questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.